Hello, come let's cook some savory jasmine rice together. You will absolutely love this recipe. Sautéing some kielbasa sausages in rice bran oil or olive oil. Adding some fennel seeds. Fennel and sausages go really well together. So delicious. Some dried thyme leaves. It smells so fragrant. Wish you could smell it. Adding in chicken I marinated a few hours ago. You can also marinate them the night before. I marinated my chicken with some masala and some Shrema. Delicious. Salt and pepper, of course. I'm adding in some tomato paste to give it some color and some turmeric. This is wild turmeric. It's very strong, so I just use just a little bit so it doesn't take over the dish. Adding in onions and garlic. Stir it in and let it cook down before adding your rice. Wash your rice several hours before adding it into the dish. Pre-washing the rice helps your rice cook really fast. And you don't need as much water because it has absorbed some water before. So when you put it into the dish, you just need a tiny bit to steam it. And within a few minutes, you're ready to serve. Use hot boiling water to add the water to the rice. Do not use cold water. Why? Because you don't want to bring down the temperature. You want the temperature to be the same, which helps your rice cook faster. After about 10 minutes or so, uncover your rice, stir it, I'm also going to add in my veggies. You can use any veggies you want. And I use parchment paper to cover the rice back up and steam for another 5 to 10 minutes. Gorgeous! Time to serve it up. Hope you try this delicious recipe in your kitchen. Until next time, bon appetit!